Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this session, we are going to know about some of the basic concepts related to the computer. In this session, we are talking about the what is a computer, and then characteristics of computer, and then what are the input and output devices, and then the classification of computer, and then different applications of computer, the basic components. Here what are the basic components for the computer, the input devices, maybe output devices, some of the basic concept related to the CPU. And then after completion of this one, the computer architecture, what is a computer architecture, and then what are the primary and secondary memories, input and different types of input and output devices. And then before that, before learning about the languages, you have to know about the operating system, what are the functions of operating system, and then what are the different types of operating system available in market, and then different languages used by the computer, and then what are the different types. The first one, the basic one, the computer. What is a computer? uh, how can you represent the computer? The computer means, what is, how can you represent this computer? the computer the computer is a machine that accept data as input and then process data using some programs. Here, the program means a set of instructions. The program means set of instructions. Based on the instructions, based on the different instruction, the computer can perform any task here, can perform the task and process the task, and then send a output to the monitor. This is called it as a monitor. Uh, Here in this diagram, you are knowing about the this particular monitor related information. Many computer can store and retrieve the information using some drives. This is a representation of the computer. That means after that, the computer can connect it together to form a network. That means you are going to connecting a different computer by using LAN network, WAN network. By using internet, you will connecting the different computer. That means computer come in a different shapes, size, depending upon a brand and model. That means you have a different size also there. There are processing steps. There are four processing steps for the computer. One is a inputting, storage, outputting, and then processing. These are all different steps for the any basic computer. This is a definition of the computer. The computer is a, the modern definition is there for the computer. The computer is an electronic device which is used to perform operation on a data as per instruction given by the user. That means the computer is a device perform operation on data as per the instruction given by the user. This is a modern definition for the computer. In this computer, you have a hardware components are there, and then you have a software components are there. In the hardware components are mouse, keyboard, printer, CPU. And then coming to the software component, the software components means set of instructions. You will write the software by using any programming languages, any Java programming languages, Python programming languages, C programming, any programming language. You will write the some instruction. This is a modern computer definition. This is a definition of a computer. Coming to the characteristics of computer, characteristics and limitation of computer. Here, these are all the characteristics for the computer. The first characteristic in this computer is a speed, accuracy, storage capability, reliability, automation. The speed, that means how much speed compared to the human, the computer can do operation as early as possible. And then accuracy compared to the other system, comparison is there. The storage capable, each and every computer having the storage capability can stores the data, and then different storage in instructions are there. That means primary storage devices, secondary storage devices. On the primary or secondary storage devices, it will store the data. Reliable, the believable. The computer is a believable. For example, 2 plus 3. That means definitely it gives the answer 5. Automation. The automation techniques available. Here, the first and the in the characteristics, the first characteristic is a speed. Computer is a very fast device. The computer takes a fraction of seconds, either milliseconds or nanoseconds or microsecond. Within the microsecond, it performs the operation. Within microseconds, milliseconds, nanosecond, and then picoseconds. Within that time, it will perform the any operation. A powerful computer is capable of performing the 3 to 4 million simple operations for the second. This is a speed of the computer and then accuracy of the computer. The accuracy of the computer is very high and the degree of particular computer depends upon a design. Here, but a particular computer, each and every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. Here, in this case, how can you get the errors here? Due to human rather than the uh, uh, technological weakness. That is a accuracy of the computer and then storage capability. The computer can store data as well as the instructions with a lot of volume, very high efficiency. That is a the storage capability. For storage capability, it will use the RAM, ROM, and then a hard disk, and then some of the external devices for storing the data. Here, this is a, capability of computer. Reliable. The computer is a believable electronic device. It perform all operation 100% accuracy as well as the 100% reliability. That is a the reliability can affect only errors by the human mind. That is a believable. The believable information error prone by the human. I think is it clear for you? These are all some of the characteristics for the computer automation. What is an automation? Once program is in the computer memory, the CPU follows the instruction until it meets the last instruction. Automatically do the all decisions. That is a computer. That means by using program concept, many tasks can be performed simultaneously. That is a the automation brings the program execution fast. That is a automation system. That is a computer, and then versatility. The vers this means any one operation and next movement if can perform any other operation. That means perform almost any task according to the given instruction. That's called here this versatility. That is a characteristics of computer. Here coming to the limitation. What are the limitations? Some of the drawbacks also available for the computer. What are the limitations for this computer? It required power. That means how can you operate the computer? With the power only you can operate. Without power you cannot operate the computer. No self-intelligence for the computers. That means self-intelligence in the sense it's maybe robot. It's the next generation also having the computer having some self-intelligence, but nowadays no self-intelligence. And then coming to the no feeling for the computer. A robot having the feeling, but the computer not having the feeling. And then no learning power, and then no thinking and decision making, and then problem may occur due to the system breakdown. If the system breakdown, the problem will occur. These are all the some of the references for the computer. Okay, thank you.